So we're all having to do things a little bit differently these days. Keeping employees and customer safety on the forefront of everybody's mind. The utilization of the Freight Runner LT systems helps to make no-contact deliveries fast, safe, and simple. Unloading is quick and easy with no need for the driver to physically handle the load. There's no longer a need to send out multiple employees or large equipment to make these smaller deliveries. With the Freight Runner LT, it makes these quick, easy, unexpected deliveries fast and convenient for both you and your customers. Make small deliveries quick, safe, and efficient with the Freight Runner LT system.